Soldiers witnessed the innovation of Army researchers recently during a series of tests flying 3D printed unmanned aircraft systems that were created on demand for specific missions. The U.S. Army Training and Doctrine Command invited engineers from the Army Research Laboratory to Fort Benning, Georgia, to present a technology demonstration at the Army Expeditionary Warrior Experiments, or AEWE.
We've created a process for converting soldier mission needs into a 3D printed, on-demand, small unmanned aircraft system, or Odysseus as we've been calling it.
With this concept, once a patrol requires UAV support, soldiers input all their requirements into the mission planning software. The system then knows the optimal configuration for the aerial vehicle, and it's printed and delivered within 24 hours.
We thought they're not going to think that's fast enough, but actually it was the opposite. They said this is actually good because when we get our mission plan, we have about 24 to 48 hours to plan our missions. So the timeline of 24 hours to receive a mission custom UAS fits right in line with the way we plan and execute our missions.
Researchers said they felt the combination of 3D printing and UAVs was a natural technology solution.
Drones or quadcopters are really getting big now. I mean, in particular, just the commercial and hobby markets have shown what can be done for a very small amount of money. Simultaneously, additive manufacturing or 3D printing has also become huge, and everybody knows all of the great things that can be done with 3D printers. And so we figured, let's assemble these two new technologies and provide a solution to soldiers that need something right now and don't want to wait for it.
We spent so much time with flight testing and verifying the designs and making sure everything was going to work the way we expected. And it was good that we didn't have any mistakes on game day. The day before, we went out and did some test flights and worked out some kinks. I think they had the quad up to 55 miles an hour.
Spiro said based on feedback from Army leaders, his team hopes to work on low noise, long standoff distance, heavier payload capacity, and better agility.
I'm very optimistic that most of those are achievable. I think the hardest one that's going to be achievable is the heavy payload.
The Army engineers are collaborating with the Georgia Tech's Aerospace Systems Design Lab as they continue to refine technologies for future soldiers. For ARL TV, I'm David McNally.